Hi, hello everyone. Today's plan is we are going to Ooty. It's a solo ride. Now the time is around 5 o'clock. There is a viewpoint in Kotagiri called Kodanad viewpoint. So we are going there and we will be returned by 12 o'clock something. It's a one day ride. Let's go. Before that we have to go to the petrol bunk. I hope the audio is clear. It's already cold out here. I think I will reach Ooty by 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock somewhat. Let's see how it goes. I really can't see anything through this tinted visor. I am just following the road guidelines. Now we reached the butterfly bridge.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We'll fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are...
Finally I reached the petrol bunk. Let's fill the tank and then we fly.
Heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Now we reached Bhavani. The road is little misty. I really can't see anything this road. I never expected mist on this road.
Rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you were echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
Guys, finally we crossed Perundurai toll gate. Now I am using Google Maps. We have to take right somewhere under the bridge. So I am using Google Maps now.
are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing.
Now the time is 7 o'clock, so it's little bright here. I have to take the service road. Okay, I will trust this Google map.
More than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Finally, the sun decided to show up. I have to take this right. ₹300. ಮುನ್ನೂರು. Now I have to stop again for a coffee break.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost.
Okay, I found a restaurant.
We are reaching for the stars.
I stopped for coffee, but then I decided to have the breakfast.
We're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
I think it's going to be a sunny day in Ooty. Guys, now we reached Kotagiri top. 20 kilometers more for the destination, which is Kodanad viewpoint. Okay, let's go.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out.
You have to get the entry ticket here. For person 30 rupees and for two-wheeler 10 rupees. Totally 40 rupees you have to pay. Finally, we reached our destination. I think no one is here. Let's go and see the view.
To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time.
So guys, whenever you visit Kotagiri, definitely visit this place. This view is amazing, really amazing. Today's ride is completed, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye, take care, see you in the next video.